Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to install what's called an emergency key release on your garage door. Alright, so probably one of the most common scenarios where you're actually going to see one of these used or need one is going to be at a large multi-unit condo or apartment complex. And the reason for that is because a lot of times the larger units and larger complexes have detached garages, and they're going to have 10 or 12 detached garages all in the same building. Now what happens is they usually use both sides of that building, and there's no other entrance to each garage other than the actual primary garage door. Now that's fine as long as you don't have a garage door opener. So if you don't have a garage door opener and you just have to manually open it, you have no need for one of these. But when you have a garage door opener, you do need one of these, and that's mainly because just on the off chance the building or the complex loses power, or even if your garage door opener breaks, if it's closed and you don't disengage the opener from the door, it will not open, and you're going to have somebody break in somehow. You're going to have to call a technician out to open the garage door somehow, and that can get rather expensive. So the idea behind this, though, is that when you can put this on the front here, and this key here can actually be turned, and you can pull this out, and that will connect to your garage door opener trolley. And just like this, when you pull this down, it releases the trolley, and you can move the trolley back and forth. So you can still then open the door. So like I said, this is definitely something you want to have if you do not have another entrance to your garage outside of the primary door. If your garage door opener does break, it could get expensive, so you want to have this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get one of these installed. It's pretty quick, it's pretty easy. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drill my pilot hole. Now, again, the idea is this is going to sit on the front of the door, and you can pull this out. So you will need a drill bit or a spade bit or something like that that is the size of this, the size of the actual release here. This is a 3/4 inch, so I need a 3/4 inch hole on that, which I'm going to drill from the front side. And then what I'll do is I'll mark holes, and I'll drill this as well, and then I can stick them. I can stick the actual bolts through these, and I can tighten them on. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drill my pilot hole here through the back side of the door, so I'm going to drill on the front side. Alright, so now that I have my pilot hole drilled, I can go ahead and close the door and drill out the actual hole from the front side for the actual emergency release. Next, I'm going to go ahead and mark out the holes for the bolts, and then I'll drill them out. Now it is important to note that when you do drill out the holes for the bolts, you not only need to go through the door, but you need to go through the support bracket in the back as well.
Next, I'm just going to pull the bolts through the holes that were drilled out in the support bracket and then tighten them down. Next, I'm going to connect the cable on the emergency release to the release on the trolley. This way, if there's an issue with the door or the opener, all I have to do is pull the cable and the trolley will release from the opener and I can manually open the door.
Alright, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on notifications and you get alerted as soon as the newest videos come out. And thanks again for watching and supporting the channel.